Eddie with that ratchet ass phone.
What, nigga? Right. Hell no, don't be a bitch. Cross his ass. Get him back, bro. Just bounce. Get that hook. Bro, nigga. Oh, look, he's open right there. Get him. Just look, he's open. Bro, look at his face. Oh.
Hey, go get your thing.
Oh, I will. Hold on. I'm about to. Let's see if I can get the winner. Mariela. Oh, I don't know who y'all are, but y'all suck. Ooh. Pop his ass in the face. Knock them cheap ass Walmart glasses off.
Dollar General glasses. Shut your little Walmart looking ass.
Oh, 99-cent store.
This shop. Shut your little penguin looking ass up, bitch. Hey man, Eddie fight.
Hey, they just playing, y'all. Y'all go on with y'all soccer.
Come on, Eddie. Wanna fight?
We got recording for it.
Hey, Eddie, you wanna fight? I'll fight you too, man. I wanna fight Jacob. Nah, come on. I wanna fight Jacob.
Hey, bro, get the buzz, bro. I'll bounce anybody up in here.
Come on, Eddie. I'm going easy on you. No faces, alright?
Body shot, body shot. Body shot, shit. You want me to record it for you, bro? Hey, where the fuck did Trey go? His ass playing basketball alone. I got money on you, Mike Tyson. You look like a little Floyd Mayweather. Yeah, I ain't that rich. Hey, cross his ass in the face. Get Instagram famous. Alright, knuckle up. Alright, let's do this. Ooh, 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 he rocking your ass. He looks like Floyd Mayweather boxing. Oh, man. Ooh.
Come on, bro. Get close to him.
Ooh. Hey, don't be scared, big boy. Ooh, nigga, get him. Oh! 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 Oh, give that here. Oh, bro, what you got to say to the public?
You won.
Hell, my boxing. Oh, yeah, this is exciting. Glad I can see you. You got to play my boxing?